Yo, what's up everybody? It's Larry Valley. I know I haven't done any videos in a while. I mean, I wanted to. I've been working on a lot of cars, but thing is, yeah, I just been like working on so many cars and things like that, doing other things that this YouTube doesn't really like make any money, or I'm not like trying to be famous or anything like that. But pretty soon I might, like, possibly. God bless everyone. First of all, Jesus loves you, he saves. Titus 2:13, John 3:16, John 14:6. Bless up, Romans 8:28. Yo, much love to my brother Kyle Fisher. So anyways, with that being said, about to start posting some music videos here. About to start promoting them. Probably gonna do a video for I might post some videos on cars. I don't know. Right here in the shop. It's slow. Main topic of this video is what to do when one of your income streams or jobs, whatever, isn't making any money, or it's slow. Okay, so right now it's slow at the shop. I'm still making my hourly. It's none of your business what how much I make. It's good, you know what I mean? I'm an independent contractor. So that being said, multiple income streams. Don't just have one thing going on. Somebody once told me like 5 or 6 times, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So multiple income streams, okay? If not, you're gonna be broke. You're gonna be like hitting your hand against the wall. You're gonna be starving with hunger pains. I mean, right now I'm hungry. I mean, but I'm blessed, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's go. So have different jobs, have different income streams. Don't be lazy, think outside the box. I'm not gonna tell you any of my income streams. I'm at the shop right now. That's one. Okay? Now bless up. Larry, I'm out.